Easiest way to lock an app on your iPhone. iPhone doesn't has its built-in option to lock the screen, but anyways, we are using shortcut here. Open shortcut app and then you wanna tap on animation in the bottom in the middle. Now you wanna tap on create personal automation. Then you wanna scroll down until you find apps. Then you wanna tap on apps. Now you wanna select is open and then you wanna tap on apps to choose to which apps you wanna lock. Then you wanna select the apps that you want to lock. You wanna select it randomly or you can choose very specific apps. Then you wanna tap on done. After that, tap on next, which is on the top right corner. Then you wanna tap on add action. Here you wanna go to the search bar and search for timer. Then you wanna tap on timer and here where it says start timer for, here you wanna keep 1 and instead of minutes you wanna keep seconds. And then you wanna go ahead and tap on next. Now here in this screen you need to disable ask before running and then you wanna tap on done. This does not lock your screen, but the person will be enabled to use the app. So this doesn't end here. Now you wanna open the clock on your phone, then you wanna go to the timer. Then you wanna tap on when timer ends. Then you wanna scroll down to the bottom and tap on stop playing. And go back, and that is all. And that is how you lock any app. So when you go ahead and open the app that you have just locked, it will bring you to the lock screen. Then you wanna go ahead and open it. And now to disable it, you want to go back to the shortcut and tap on animation again and tap on the thing that you've just created and disable this. And that is how you can easily lock an app on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.